Hi! In front of me is OPPO A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings, scroll down and choose additional settings. Now click on keyboard and input method, keyboard and finally theme. Over here choose show more to see all available ones, and when you're ready you can click on one of those images, like that one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap on apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!